Hello, Ma'am Sir. My name is Angie Manunggol. You can call me G for short. I am 42 years old, single. My height is 155 cm and my weight is 66 kilograms. I am a high school graduate. I have working experience before in Kuwait for 9 years and 3 years in Qatar. I can take care the baby, kids, pets, cleaning, ironing, cooking Filipino foods, and some Arabic foods. I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese food and follow the recipe given by my employer. Please hire me as your helper. I am honest, kind, and easy to follow the instruction. Thank you. Have a nice day.